Smartphones are one of the most important parts of our daily lives. We use it for personal communication, finishing tasks for work, checking social media posts, or even playing your favorite game during lunch break. It almost feels like an extension of ourselves. With traditional charging options, we can't satisfy the battery needs for heavy usage of our smartphones, making us frustrated every time when the phone pops up in a low battery notification. Hi Kickstarter, my name is Tomas, and I'm here to say that the traditional ways of charging mobile phones are inconvenient. Today, we need a better, simpler, and more convenient way to charge our phones. We have researched and tested many different ways of charging, including wireless solutions, and we decided to use magnetic adapters for our charging packs as a proper solution. With corresponding magnetic adapters, you can charge any kind of smartphone. The charging pack is only 15 grams weight, which is extremely portable for everyday carry. In 30 minutes, this tiny little pack can give an iPhone 8 a 25% battery boost, so that with 4 of these places in total, your phone will maintain fully charged. 4 charging packs can provide an iPhone 8 about 9 hours of battery usage. Also, the charging station is a portable battery with 5,000 milliamperes. This is our magnetic charging cable, which supports fast charging due to maximum 2 amp currents. Now, let's see how FingerPal can help.
Yeah. Okay, I'm on the way right now.
We are confident that FingerPal will help bring back convenience to our lives and furthermore, help us to utilize our smartphones in a better way. We look forward to having your support. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Elias.
We are part of the team behind Sonic Soak.
Sonic Soak is a smartphone-sized device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible.
It cleans to the microscopic level, beyond what any laundry machine or cleaning spray can do. The inspiration for this device came from the fact that we were frequent travelers, and cleaning our clothes while on the go was always a hassle, so we had to set out to find a good solution.
It's also quiet and can be used to clean more than clothes. It can clean glasses, jewelry, fruits, razors, baby bottles, products that are tough to clean using sponges or rags or your hands or soap and water.
I think they get the idea, Elias.
Okay, I just want to be clear. This is the best way to clean pretty much anything.
Sonic Soak works by generating ultrasonic sound waves that create microscopic high-pressure bubbles to wash away dirt, grime, and oils.
We had no idea at the time that we'd come up with was a device that had so many benefits outside of travelers wanting an easy way to wash clothes while on the go.
It's also simple to use. You simply place it in water, add some soap, turn on the built-in timer, and walk away. Minutes later, your clothes are cleaner than ever before.
Sonic Soak is designed for travelers, moms, neat freaks looking for a thorough cleanse, and not just on clothes, by the way, but on fruits and vegetables too. Folks with small loads of laundry, fashionistas that need a better solution for their gentle cycle or hand wash only clothes, folks that don't have the space for a full-size laundry machine. Really, it's for anyone who wants a cleaner, well, almost anything. Because Sonic Soak is more than a great way to clean your laundry, it can clean just about anything you can stick in the water with it.
So if you like things clean, free from all those nasty things you can only see up close, Sonic Soak is your solution.
Sonic Soak is ready to be shipped just after our campaign ends. We just need you to help make it happen.
Which means you can have a cleaner almost anything in practically no time once we end this campaign successfully. So please help us bring Sonic Soak to mass production and experience clean like never before. Now you can enjoy a cleaner lifestyle wherever you go.
When we first launched the 3Doodler, we asked the world to imagine a pen that could literally draw in the air. 2 years on, we've made the world's first 3D printing pen even better, with a new and improved version that's slimmer, lighter, quieter, and even easier to use. The 3Doodler heats, then rapidly cools plastic, allowing instant 3D creation. And with no software or computers, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. We've shipped over 130,000 first-generation 3Doodlers, and our community has used them to create amazing things, from jewelry to RC planes, fully 3Doodled dresses, architectural models, and even writing Braille. It was because of the support of this Kickstarter community that we were able to make the 3Doodler dream a reality. To say thank you, we've decided to bring 3Doodler 2.0 to you first. Completely redesigned from top to bottom and housed in a sleek aluminum casing, the new 3Doodler is the result of over 2 years of research and development, all aimed at giving you the best 3Doodling experience possible. The new 3Doodler is also packed with loads of enhancements, making it smoother, sleeker, and easier to use than ever before. We're also releasing exciting new accessories, including the Jetpack, a portable power pack that gives you the freedom to 3Doodle on the go. To help kickstart creativity in the classroom, we've created a special educational bundle, complete with pens, plastic, accessories, and curricular materials, which you can send to any school, library, or makerspace of your choosing. If you can draw, write, or wave a finger in the air, you can create with the 3Doodler. Our community website has hundreds of projects and stencils that you can download for free, and it's filled with how-to videos and images of inspiring creations from around the world. So, when will you get your new 3Doodler? We'll start delivering to our first backers in a few weeks, and the majority of you will be 3Doodling by April. We can't thank you enough for joining us on this amazing journey.
I think it's amazing how many people have the same experience with their earbuds. There definitely is, an earbud problem. They're falling out. You can tell people are kind of pushing them back in, or they're uncomfortable. They make your ears tender.
So we needed to create a solution, and that solution is ear hooks.
When you're running, outside, or when you're working out in the gym, you want something that's going to stay with you.
As an active person, you want to achieve that focus where you can push yourself to a limit that you've never been before. And why be distracted by an earbud when you don't have to be? And we don't want you to think that this is only for athletes. This problem of earbuds falling out is so common. So what we've created with ear hooks is a universal attachment that connects to almost all in-ear circular earbuds that increases their fit, increases their comfort.
As far as design goes, we really looked at every piece of ear hooks.
You can see we've got a shark fin design on the top here, which we call the tip. This piece is what disperses a lot of the weight of the actual earbud. You see you've got the elastic tire here, which stretches on and off. We did a lot of testing. We relentlessly tweaked and changed the design. We prototyped over 20 different ear hooks throughout the process. The testing ranged from running, cycling, swimming, surfing. We really tried to do everything we could to make sure that these ear hooks could endure almost every environment that they would ever see.
We were very thoughtful in our design process. Each step of the way we've redesigned and we've reproduced and we've retested it. And we know now that we have a product that is passing all those tests with flying colors. The same way athletes push themselves to be great at what they do, we've pushed ourselves to make ear hooks great at what they do.